Kayak fishing, Newport Back Bay. Looking for some spotted bay bass and some halibut. Let's go. Hey there, young lady.
Howdy.
Are we ready to rock and roll?
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Anytime you are.
All right. No.
If you ever do, I have a guy who opens this, he said plumbers, likes plumbers.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Something hit it on the way up. Yes, got one. What do we got? Oh. Spotty.
Yeah.
Nice.
Spotted
Yeah.
bass, right?
Woo. Yep. He chased it on the way up. All right. Awesome. They're here. Dang, I should have let him fight it out a little longer, I guess.
Why?
Because he's putting up a fuss.
Do you still have your bait?
Of course. Yeah, it's artificial.
Oh.
Nice little spotty. Yeah.
Can you,
And
like,
away
see it, or
he
will it
goes.
fall?
Hmm?
If you put it like too little, put it really fall off.
What?
So I can see it, can it like,
Oh,
I can't tell.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I got video.
Okay.
Yeah, he's on video, so I'll send it to you.
Cool.
Gonna edit it. All right,
Okay, now what?
let's move on to the next spot. Look at this dock right here. All right, let's give this a shot. Oh, look at you picked up some weeds on your oar.
I am caught something, yay.
Can you try to maybe back us up a little bit? Because I'd like to fish along the length of all these boats. That would be perfect. Perfect. Yes. Outstanding, Captain.
Thank you there. Gratuities graciously accepted.
There it is.
Did it?
Got him.
I want to see it.
Ooh, it's a nice one. Feels like he's got some strength to him.
Oh.
Another spotty, a little bit bigger one.
That,
Did you want to see it, Diane?
yeah. Wow. Gee, those are big.
Cool, right?
You can eat those, huh?
Yeah, you probably could, but we're just fishing for fun today.
What is it?
Spotty?
Is he hopping around out there?
Yeah.
He's on your back, Diane. They're all about the same size.
Yeah. No, they get a lot bigger,
They do?
actually. Yep.
Wow.
2. All right.
Wanna stay here? Or move to that white boat?
Do people eat them?
Yeah.
You usually have no interest in going out, like the Davy Jones locker or something, going deep sea fishing here?
He bit me. Drew blood.
Oh
No.
Yeah. They got teeth.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And there he is. Nice spotty. And back you go.
Oh, he flipped you off.
Should I put some of my own blood on the lure? See if we can get a shark.
Yeah.
No thanks.
We already got one here at this spot. Whoa!
Is that another jumper?
Get that sucker.
We're going over there.
To the left?
Something going on with my reel. It's starting to act weird. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Where?
We got a big fish. Right where that big old fish jumped. Holy smokes. It is a big fish.
Okay, I gotta see it.
Yeah, back us up. Back us up. Get us away from this boat. Holy smokes. Whoa, right where it jumped. That is insane.
God, it's huge.
It's something. It's a nice fish, whatever it is.
You got it?
Well, it's on. Yeah. Try to tire him out just a little bit because, ooh, it is a nice fish. I wonder what it is. Wow.
You better help, Diane.
He's gonna get to the surface and then want to make a run. So,
What's the one I gotta
oh, it's a big spotty. It's a
Oh my
big
God,
spotty.
Look at the size of that thing.
Wow. Yes. Oh my God. It's a big spotty.
Got
Wow.
it on video?
Yes.
Hey, Andrew.
Oh,
Yeah, we got it on video. Holy moly. Wow. Oh my gosh.
you gonna have it for dinner?
That, no, I'm gonna throw him back. He's a big one though. Wow.
Can you take it and let him go?
Oh, and he just popped himself right off the hook. Thank you, sir.
Oh,
Wow, check this out.
all right.
I wanna see it closer.
Yeah, come over here, Mom.
You still have it?
Yeah.
I'm afraid to turn. I'm afraid I'm gonna
Bend.
flip the boat.
Whoa. It is a nice one. Look at that.
Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
Isn't that awesome?
That is so gorgeous.
Can I see?
Check him out. Yeah.
Oh my
I
goodness.
still can't. This is as far as I
Wow.
can trip. Whoa! Okay.
That is so cool.
Woo, big spotty. All right, let's let him go.
Bye. Thank you.
See ya, buddy. Wow, that was awesome.